नमस्कार, मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics, first means algebra. The second chapter is quadratic equations. Today we are studying the problems in problem set 2. Ninth problem. The sum of two roots of a quadratic equation is 5 and sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. Now here we know that alpha beta are two roots of the quadratic equation. Means let alpha and beta are two roots of quadratic equation. Then we know alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35 are given in given example. Now we know the formula. Now alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus 3 into alpha beta into alpha plus beta plus beta cube. Now we have alpha cube plus beta cube and hence alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube, then minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now putting the values, alpha cube plus beta cube means 35 is equal to alpha plus beta cube means 5 cube, then minus 3 here into alpha beta into alpha plus beta means here 5 and hence 35 is equal to 5 cube means 125, then minus 5 3s are 15 alpha beta and hence 15 alpha beta is equal to 125, then minus 35 and hence 15 alpha beta is equal to, याला आपण सॉल्व केलं, 125 minus 35 means 90 and hence alpha beta is equal to 90 upon 15, hence alpha beta is equal to 15 1s are 15, 15 6s are 90, means alpha beta is equal to 6. Now we know the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. And hence x square then minus alpha plus beta means phi into x plus alpha beta means 6 is equal to 0. And hence the required quadratic equation is x square minus phi x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Then 10th example, find quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of equation 2x square plus 2 into p plus q into x plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Now the answer. Now here given equation is 2x square plus 2 into p plus q into x plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Now here A is equal to means the coefficient of x square is 2. Then value of b is equal to 2 into p plus q and c is equal to p square plus q square. Now we know let alpha and beta are roots of this equation. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, which is equal to minus 2 into p plus q divided by 2, which is equal to minus p plus q. This is the value of x, alpha plus beta. And we know also alpha beta is equal to c by a, which is equal to p square plus q square divided by 2. Then but we know the alpha plus beta square. Now alpha plus beta square is equal to minus p plus q whole square, means which is equal to p plus q brackets square. This is the value of alpha plus beta square. Then we have alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. We know a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. And hence, putting the values, we get now alpha plus beta square means here p plus q whole square, then minus 4 into alpha beta. 4 into alpha beta means here p square plus q square divided by 2. Now here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, means which is equal to p plus q whole square, then minus 2 into minus 2. Now here then we can write here 2p square, then minus 2 into q means minus 2q square, which is equal to, on solving we get, which is equal to p plus 2 whole square means p square plus twice pq plus q square, then minus 2p square minus 2q square, which is equal to, means alpha minus beta square is equal to, now here p square minus 2p square means taking minus common, or here we can write minus p square, then plus 2pq, then minus q square, and hence we can write here, we can write alpha minus beta square is equal to, taking minus common, then we get here p square minus 2pq plus q square, which is equal to minus, this is the square of p minus q, is p minus q square. Now let m and n, let m and n are the roots of required quadratic इक्वेशन. आता अल्फा बेटा आपण अगोदरच घेतल्यामुळे आपण ते घेऊ शकत नाही, आणि म्हणून त्याच्याऐवजी एम एंड एन हे आपल्याला रूट्स घ्यायचे आहे, जे रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आहे त्याचं. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी हेन्स एम इज इक्वल टू, गिवन कंडिशनमध्ये जे सांगितलं आहे त्यानुसार हियर अल्फा प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर मीन्स विच इज इक्वल टू p plus q whole square, and n means which is equal to alpha minus beta square, which is equal to minus p minus q bracket square. Now we know the formula. Formula is, if the roots are known, then we can find the quadratic equation, and hence these two are the roots of a required quadratic equation, and hence formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. But here roots are, means roots are m and n, and hence x square minus m plus n into x plus mn is equal to 0. Roots m and n I have taken, so formula will be like this, and hence putting the value of m and n in this formula, then we get, या ठिकाणी व्हॅल्यूज आपण पुटअप जर केल्या तर वी गेट हियर एक्स स्क्वेअर देन मायनस, now m plus n, m means here p plus q square, then plus n, n means in bracket minus p minus q square into x, then plus m into n, m means p plus q bracket square into n means minus p minus q square, which is equal to 0. Hence x square minus, on solving we get, solve this, means p square plus 2pq plus q square, then solve this, then minus p square minus 2pq plus q square bracket complete into x. Then keep this as it is, means plus p plus q bracket square into minus p minus q bracket square is equal to 0. Now on solving we get, hence here x square, then minus in bracket p square plus twice pq plus q square, then on solving minus p square minus minus plus 2pq, then minus q square into x, then plus here p plus q whole square into minus p minus q bracket square bracket complete is equal to 0. Hence x square, now here p square minus p square get cancelled, plus q square minus q square get cancelled, and we get here 2pq plus 2pq means minus, here 2 plus 2 means 4pq into x, then plus p plus q bracket square into minus p minus q bracket square is equal to 0. Then hence here x square, then minus 4pq into x, 4pqx. Then here taking minus plus into minus means minus. Now here p plus q bracket square into p minus q bracket square is equal to 0. And hence here x square, then minus 4pqx, then here we can solve this, p plus q whole square, then p minus q whole square means we can write here p plus q into p minus q complete square is equal to 0. And hence here x square minus 4pq into x minus p plus q in one bracket, p minus q in second bracket, then we know the square of the first means p square minus square of the second means q square, and bracket square is equal to 0. And hence x square minus 4pq into x, then minus p square minus q square bracket square is equal to 0. And hence required quadratic equation is x square minus 4pqx minus p square minus q square bracket square is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Then 11th example, Mukund possesses ₹50 more than that Sagar possesses. The product of the amount they have is 15,000. Find the amount each one has. Now answer for this. Now let the Sagar possesses rupees X. and hence the Mukund possesses will be more than 50 means will be rupees x plus 50. Now by given condition, the product of amount they have is 15,000. Now take the product, means here x into x plus 50 is equal to 15,000, and hence x into x means x square, then plus 50 into x means 50x, then taking 15,000 on left hand side means minus 15,000 is equal to 0. Now solving this quadratic equation, take minus 15,000 here, take the factors will be 150 into 100 means product will be 15,000 and difference will be 50. Plus sign is here, now put to 150, then minus put to 100, and hence here x square plus 150x, then minus 100x, then minus 15,000 is equal to 0. Hence x is common, then x plus 150, then here x plus 150 is equal to 0 means minus 100 will be the common, and hence x plus 150 into this x minus this 100 is equal to 0. Hence here x plus 150 is equal to 0 or x minus 100 is equal to 0, and hence x is equal to minus 150 or here ax is equal to 100. But we know amount should not negative, and hence x is not equal to 150, and hence x is equal to 100 is the answer. Then we have x plus 50 which is equal to 100 plus 50 which is equal to 150, and hence now the amount are Mukund possesses rupees and Sagar possesses rupees. Sagar means x means rupees 100, and Mukund possesses more than 50 means 100 plus 50 means 150. This is the answer. Thank you.